Hey guys, what's up? Holly here. So I want to introduce you to Trello. This is how we're going to be getting all of your projects done. So if you're a client, we're working on your project right now. This is like the onboarding process. This is how it all works. I do everything in Trello. So what's going to happen is I'm going to shoot you over an invitation to come onto the Trello board. Trello is absolutely free. You do have to create an account. Another cool thing about it though, once you create your account, there is an app in your phone store. You can literally get Trello yourself and you can see the progress and we can be able to communicate straight from your phone. I literally have it like on my home screen right here. It's all, you see here, it's literally all right here on your phone too. So super easy, super cool, keeps things, we can stay in communication. Any files that you have for me the easiest way to get these to me is going to be through the board. And because sometimes Facebook messages, when I have so many messages and different clients, it's easier when it's just organized and everyone is on the same page. So that's why we use this. Let me share my screen and show you. So your Trello board is, there's different colors for different reasons. So if you are a client of ours and we're doing a done for you project, the background of your board is green. We do that for a reason for our organizational things, so we can tell between our boards on what are done for you, our coaching, our consulting, and then our inner circle. We have different types of boards and stuff that we work with. So boards are super cool. So what I mean by that is, so boards, you have all of these boards that you can create, right? For if you ever want to set this up in your business, that's fine. If you don't want to, that's fine too. We literally have it set up from our operations to our content to our marketing, everything that we have. I have my personal life set up into like my food, the foods that we eat, and our routines. Like everything I have is set up in Trello. So these are boards, and inside the boards you have different lists. So as you can see, I created a few lists here. Every list, I keep it all the same across all my boards. You can add multiple lists, and then within each list is a card. And cards can be moved interchangeably throughout each list. So there's a few things here. So there's a list of the things that are not started. When we start working on them, they will get moved over to in progress. So that way you'll always see like what we're working on, what we haven't started yet, what still needs done, you're up to date on the project. And then if there's anything like on hold, if we're waiting for something, maybe we need a ad copy or ad creative from you, or something, for some reason it's on hold for something, it'll be right there. So that way we're on task with each, like we know what's on hold, what's in progress. It keeps things so easy. It's amazing. You guys are gonna love this. If it is in review, let's say we got this retargeting strategy, we want to before we run it, make sure that our client, that you guys have the okay with it. So we're going to put this in review for you, and we're not going to touch it until you give us the okay, cool, go, right? And we'll let you know that there's something in review. So if you click in each card, you'll be able to see, like, we can write comments back and forth to each other. So everything can stay within the card. So if everything about retargeting strategy, if there's like a creative, then this is just for example, this is going to be used for different clients and stuff. So whatever it is that we're doing for you, the description will be here. If there's any files that you need to upload to us, we can put it right here. If I have them already, I will have them already up here that you can see. And then we can communicate back and forth on this from here. You can easily move this here as well. So let's say when we have this all done, boom, it's completed, moved over. So as you can see, what happened is this. So as our project comes in, you will be able to see if it's in progress, on hold, in review, or if it's completed. And then of course, all the project details has its own list and its own card. This is, every single project has this to make sure that we're on track and, wait, did I put more in here? Okay, anyways, I'll go back to that. So to make sure that we're all on track, we're all on the same page, that there's clarity. I'm all about clarity. So I like to put the details in there so that way we can always have any links we need to go back to, any agreements that were made, everything will be in this card. So we're all on the same page, we all have stuff organized, and we all know what's happening and what pace you need to go at. So it's super easy. Again, you will get a link that looks it's this long link like this. What's gonna happen when you click on that link? is you will get invited into this board, right? And that's it. So you will create an account for you. Again, it's a free account. Put in your email or whatever. Only takes you 2 seconds. And then from there, if you want to get I think it's super easy. I've integrated this my whole life, so it's on my phone. If you want this on your phone as well, there is an app for it to make it easy that we're on the same page. Download that app, and that's it. I look forward to working with you and your project, and I will talk to you guys soon.